Hey, Divi Nation, thanks for stopping by our documentation section to learn a little bit more about our Blurb module. Now, our Blurb module is one of our most popular, widely used modules because it's incredibly versatile. It has an image or icon section, a title, and a text section, and it's great for displaying little blurbs about your company, your business, your cause, whatever it is that you want to get the message out about. Could be features, could be benefits. The Blurb module is probably what you want to use. And there's tons of ways that you can enter content, design and edit that content, and really make your website shine using this module. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that and give you an example that kind of shows you the potential of what you can do when you're being a little bit more creative. Check it out.
In this video, I'll be giving you an overview of the Blurb module using the Visual Builder. The Blurb module offers an easy solution to showcase small bits of information to your website. The module has built-in options for combining images or icons with a small bit of text, perfect for displaying features or skills. And like with all Divi modules, the Blurb module comes packed with design options, including animation. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I am using the Visual Builder, and I am editing what very well could be a landing page, a home page. You have your main hero section up here, and then below we have a list of features, the main features that or whatever product you may be showcasing. And this is what the Blurb module is perfect for. As you can see, there's small bits of text along with an icon over each one of those little bits of text. So if I wanted to recreate this, I'm going to go ahead and add another row underneath it just to show you how easy this is. Once I add my row, let me go ahead and make this a 3-column row. And because I already have styling to this row above, I want to match that. So I'm going to copy the style by right-clicking and then pasting the style in this row. So now my row columns are matching up with the one above. And then I'm going to, inside this first column, enter a Blurb module. I'm going to give a title to the Blurb module here. And then I'm going to paste some lorem ipsum text in the content box. Of course, here in the URL section, you would post a link to direct the user when clicking on the blurb. So the things that are clickable will be the title and the icon. I'm going to leave it blank for now. And then in this section, the image and icon section of the content tab, you can choose to use an icon, which is what I'm going to do. You could also use an image. We'll get to that in a second. But for now, I'm going to use an icon. Let's go ahead and find a cloud here. Enter the cloud icon. And as you can see, the design is not ready yet. Still using my default color for the icon. And now that I've got my content in for my blurb, I have my icon, my title text, and my body text here. Let's go ahead and click to the Design tab. And let's go ahead and style our image and icon here. First thing is the icon color. I'm going to change that to white. I could also add a circle icon, which basically adds a background to it, which I'm not going to do for now, but it's a very cool option to make some unique icons. Let's go ahead and make our text centered, text orientation centered, and make our text color light. As you can see, it's already looking pretty close. Let's go ahead and click on to edit our header text. And let's make it uppercase. Our header is now uppercase. And let's shrink the size of our header font down to, let's say, 20. and that looks good. Actually, let's go back up to our image and icon section, and let's click on use icon font size, and let's shrink that down to about 40 pixels there. And there you go. Since this is an icon font, we can use the icon font size to shrink it down, which is helpful. Now it's starting to match our design. Let's go ahead and save that out. And a simple way to recreate this would be to duplicate and drag it over. Or if you prefer, just copy the module and paste it here. You can also use the shortcut keys Control C and Control V to make those copies and pastes as well. Now you can go back and change the icons for these. Let's go ahead and give this one, let's give this one a light bulb icon. And for this one, let's give it a different one. Let's go ahead and give it this one. And there you go. Alternatively, you can give it a left aligned icon if you want. I'll show you how to do that. If you wanted to give it a whole unique layout, let's say you can go to the design tab, click your image and icon section to toggle it open, and then here you have the option of changing the placement to left. So this aligns your icon to the left of the content. Not easily accomplished if you're just using HTML. So it's a very convenient feature of this module. Let's go ahead and save this out. And if just to kind of give you an idea, I'm going to copy the style and paste it here. In each one of our blogs, our, Blurb modules. And so I've copied and pasted that style throughout. And so you can see there's another look. We can also use the Blurb module to add list items to our website, which is pretty convenient. To do that, you just go back, let's go back to our Blurb module settings, and I'm going to take out the title and just use some of the content here, a few lines of content as an example. And well, let's go down to our image icon, our icon here, and let's change it to a circle check, pretty common list item design. And let's save it out. And let's go ahead and delete these for now. Change our column row to 2. And let's duplicate these. And let's go ahead and copy a few over here. And there you go. Now you can see an easy way to list some items underneath any part of your website. And as I mentioned before, you can also use images instead of the built-in icon fonts. To do that, let's go back to our Blurb module settings here. And let's go down to, in our content tab, let's go down to image and icon, and let's select no for use icon. And now we have an option to add or upload an image. Let's go ahead and pick one here. And it's left aligned here, so we'll need to change that. Go to the design tab and click top for placement. And there you go. You have a nice looking image here as part of your blurb. Save that out. Let's go ahead and add another one. And let's add one more. And there you go. There's your overview of the Blurb module.